Welcome to the instructions video for the Inverse Square Law Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you understand how intensity changes with distance, whether you're working with light, sound, radiation, or gravitational forces. It's essential for physics, engineering, and design applications. To use this calculator, first select your application type from the drop-down menu, such as light intensity or sound pressure. Next, enter your known intensity value at the initial distance. For example, let's enter 1000 lux as our starting intensity. Then input your reference distance, say 2 meters from the source. Now enter your target distance where you want to calculate the new intensity, such as 4 meters. Click the Calculate button, and the results will instantly show you the new intensity at your target distance. You'll see that doubling the distance reduces the intensity to 1/4 of the original value, demonstrating the inverse square relationship. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.